Hello guys, for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo how to apply G-Loan in Gcash. Okay, so check it out. Let me walk it through. So you need to go to Gcash application first, then wait nyo lang. If you don't have Gcash account, gagawa ko ng content about how to create a Gcash account. Okay, but if you have now, you just need to put your PIN, and once naka-login ka na, may kita mo yung option na borrow ng kamay na may nakalad na may pera sa ibabaw. You just click that option. So once click mo yan, may kita mo yung G-Loan option. Just click that, then mapupunta ka dito sa option na to. So pag yung customer ka, ang mag-pop up dito sa option na to is about sa details. So you need to sign up, or you need to fill up lang yung all details ni Gcash. Then and sa pagkakatanda ko is that is your name, number, email address, then 5 character references na pwede nilang mo-contact. So once ma-verify na ni Gcash na tama yung mga details, magpo-provide na sila dito sa ibabaw ng kung how much yung pwede mong ma-loan sa kanila. Sa case ko is actually they gave me 1,000 as of now. So nakapag-loan ako ng 1,000, and that is payable for 5 months. So hindi na rin masama kasi nagamit naman siya. So magamit na siya in case na walang-wala ka na talaga. And good thing is payable siya for 5 months. So in my case, I have 265.70 every month na payable. So need to settle. If you want to pay that, you just need to click the pay button. So just click this pay button, then just click the amount only, how much yung kailangan bayaran. Sa akin, case ko is 265.40 yung next bill ko. Again, 265.40, 265.40, so magiging 66. So yan, pero hindi ko siya i-proceed. So pinapakita ko lang siya kung paano rin siya babayaran. Kumbaga, hindi ka na pupunta dun sa ibang option. Dito na mismo inside sa Gcash G-Loan, may option na para mag-pay o magbayad ng utang. So hindi na masama. And once you're ready to pay, just click next, and automatic magbabayaran mo na yung G-Loan mo. Okay, that's all guys. So just reminder lang, hindi masamang mangutang as long as na-manage mo siya. Kaya have a great day. That's all.